Good day and welcome to EarDeals. Continuing on in our series focusing on supporting apps for hearing aids, we are going to be covering the MyPhonak app from Phonak. Before we get started, please remember to click like, share and subscribe down below, and remember to click the bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos from EarDeals. And if you'd like to find out more about us, please feel free to click on the link to our website in the description below. We are going to start by showcasing where to download the MyPhonak app and how to pair it to your devices. First, it's important to ensure your phones and devices are compatible with the MyPhonak app. Because of this, we recommend for phones that if you are using Apple devices, that you use devices that utilize iOS version 12 or higher. Or, if you are using Android devices, we recommend using devices that use Android version 8 or higher. As for hearing aids, as of late 2021, devices on the Ordeo Marvel range, the Bolero Marvel range, the Verto Marvel range, and the Ordeo and Nadia Paradise ranges are compatible. To download the app, you can do this by downloading from the Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone, or if using Android devices from the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you will be able to access the app from the icon displayed on your phone and presented with a welcome screen. Pressing next, you will be given a series of brief tutorials focusing on some of the key features for adjusting your app before being presented with a privacy screen and a screen to enable phone calls, streaming and tap control. To enable these features, you must activate and pair your devices to your phone using the Bluetooth function accessed through your phone's accessibility settings. Once you have paired your devices to your phone, return to the app. It will begin to pair them to it. The app will be able to detect if you are using one or two devices. And once finished, you will now be able to access the MyPhonak app. In this section, we are going to be covering how to make adjustments to your devices using the features on the MyPhonak app. When you first press on the MyPhonak app icon, you will open on the remote control screen. Here you will be able to access a variety of different features to fine-tune your devices to suit your hearing experience. To start off, you will be able to determine if your hearing aids are paired and monitor their battery levels, as indicated by the battery icons displayed. Above these is a drop-down menu. This menu showcases a variety of programs you can use to set as a preset to adjust your hearing based on certain situations. As an example, if you wish to stream music through your hearing aids, when you press on the music program, you will be able to manually adjust the music volume to suit your liking, as well as add extra bass and treble by pressing on the buttons below. Before selecting a program preset, it is important to remember that these will differ depending on the setup created for your device by your clinician or hearing care provider, and it is recommended to always speak to these services before adding and choosing programs to adjust your hearing. To adjust your device's volume, all you need to do is simply press on and drag the green slider displayed either up or down to increase or decrease in volume level. You can mute and unmute volume by pressing on the icon as displayed, and if you are using two devices, you have the ability to adjust the volume of either device individually by pressing on the split icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Continuing on, in the bottom right corner you have access to even more features for shaping your listening experience. When you press on this icon, you will be able to adjust the bass, middle, and treble of sound in your environment. You can tackle the overall volume level, handle the noise reduction. You can set the focus of speech to isolate sounds surrounding you so you may focus your attention on a specific point, such as when you are having a conversation with another in a cafe and you wish to drown out the surrounding sound so you can focus solely on the speaker. You have the dynamic option to increase soft sounds or decrease loud sounds, or set a balance between the two. If you use accessories such as the Phonak TV or the partner mic to stream audio directly into your hearing aids, the MyPhonak app not only comes with an option to adjust the volume of the audio, but also the ability to adjust the balance of sound from your TV or accessory against that of your environment. If you're someone suffering from tinnitus and have seen your provider on the issue, you also have a special tinnitus masker mode that lets you adjust the signal of sound, masking the noise to your preferred level. Wrapping up, when you are happy with your adjustments made, you can choose to save these as presets for hearing in future without having to create new setups every time you access the app. You can even build upon your saved presets by selecting them and making further adjustments to greatly suit your experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to find out more about EarDeals, check out our website linked in the description below. Or if you'd like to view some more of our content and keep updated on what's next in our phone app series, please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and comment below.